Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to make half circle shape in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer and select the shape. Right click, use rounded rectangle tool and path to shape. Then then I do not use stroke or use stroke and select the color. Example, I use this color. Press enter. Then hold shift. Right click, ellipse tool, hold shift. Then click the direct selection tab and remove this corner. Press Ctrl X or go to edit tab, cut. That's it. You can adjust to this corner, edit pen tool or add anchor point, then edit the corner. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.